Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you where is the USB port connection on your Samsung Smart TV and how can we use that USB port for your TV. And now let's go into it. Okay, to find the TV USB port, it will located on the back of your TV. Here. Okay, so on the back of the TV there's one USB port, and some TV there's two USB port, but this TV's model I have only one USB port. So I'm gonna put the TV model on the screen here. So that USB port you can connect the USB keyboard. So it will make you easy for the typing when you go to search on YouTube or other app. For example, now I connect to it. Okay, now you can use the keyboard arrow key to make selection and escape button. Typing on YouTube to search as video or something. Okay, and on the other hand you can also connect the USB flash drive to your TV. For example, now I take out the keyboard connection and we gonna connect the USB to the TV. And then you will see the USB device show up and we select to browse on it. Now you can play the file on the USB. Okay. And you can just go to the USB by go to source and select the USB. So this is the same way. And you can also try to connect the gamepad on your TV screen if it uses the USB port connection like this. Okay. After that, okay, now let's try to control the TV using that gamepad. You can see now I can connect to that. And now for example, and now let's try to open one classic game. You can select A button to select, B to back. Okay, so I'm not gonna play much on it. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the where is the USB port connection and how you can use the USB port connection with your Samsung Smart TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.